It's Wednesday, December 18th, 2024 at 7:01 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. PLRZ continuing to pull up. Going to break $4 here. It just broke it. It's up 280%. There is positive news. Evidently, they secured manufacturing with another company to manufacture their allergy blocker drug. Hence the movement today. Touched 412 on this wick up here. I would like to see it stay above $4 and continue on in that manner to show positive strength. This thing could pull back at any given moment. It is up 300%. I'll keep an eye on this and I'll return. I have an order in and I am in the trade of PLRZ. Profit and loss is down here. I am in at 438 with only 40 shares. I am not planning on staying long. Need a batch buyers back in here. Trying to come in. Struggling on this candle. There we go. Just one more push and I am out. Let's see how we did on this. Okay, $15.60. That's a 6% gain on this trade. I was in this about a minute and a half. In at 438, out at 477 with 40 shares. I took a smaller position. And I got in on this candle. It was green when I entered, but I was in on this candle, out on this candle. So I held through this. It was still showing some strength. I let it breathe for a little bit and got out here. And as you can see, right after I got out, it's kind of went sideways and it's pulling back, struggling at the moment. So I got out at a good time. A green trade. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.